Yep, like that, yep. And then the rack is on the other side. Right there. There we go.
I might not even get to hit it.
Well, put it in your sights. Can you see it?
No.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go?
Yeah. Got it! Hit it again! And again! And again! Ooh, missed. Take your time, take your time. There we go. Ooh, miss.
I'm all out of paint.
Eight rounds ain't bad, dude. Now you see the ones way down there? We're gonna turn this up to a 5 power. It's gonna be a little bit easier to see those targets way down there and hit those cowbells down there, okay? You Papa get your. No, she gets it. She shoots it faster than you can get them loaded.
Do I shoot it faster than?
Well, no, Dad can.
Dad, do you know which one that I was shooting at?
The